Welcome back my YouTube channel. Cùng nó bà nghìn nàng lối ya các tên pareng kine kiken don ngi day ban bột là đáp shot ngeu ching mình tối na kane ka video wanam glad ban share lem shaki perlok la ne hayeng hasem jong pi wanam glad ru ban like share and subscribe ya kane ka channel ale ngan ya pet ya kane ka ching hi kai English to Kasi. Speaking English slowly has two advantage. Kasi pankeren pareng suki kadon artli kijing mot. It give you more time to think of what to say. Kasi ka ai yapi shibon kapor ban perkat ya ka ai ka ba pin ong. It makes your speech clear so the other person can understand. Kasi kapan lang yaka jingkren jong pi ban long kabashai. Knang ba buway kin snel tu. Where did you learn this thing? Kasi shano pinang ya kine ki. I learned with the help of my friend. Kasi nga nang da kajing yarap jong u parlok jonga. I didn't hear clearly. Kasi ngam yo sngew pa. Do you know here? Kasi pi itu yaka. No, I don't know here. Kasi em ngam itu yaka. How is your processness? Kasi kumno kakam kajam jongpi. Not very good. Kasi kam dabyang ba. What did you say? Kasi ka ay piang. I didn't say anything. Kasi nga klem ong ay. What is the date today? Kasi katno tarik menta kasngi. When will they come? Kasi lano kinwan. They will come at night. Kasi kinwan shibet jamit. Do you have more? Kasi hidang don shushu. Don't worry, you are not alone. Kasi what's no see him long marway. You are the light of my life. Kasi hilong kajing shy ha kajing im jonga. You bring joy to my life. Kasi hi wanra ya kajing men ha kajing im jonga. You inspire me. Kasi hi ai men sem yanga. You are wasting my time. Kasi hi panlot ya kapor jonga. What do you want from me? Kasi kaay pikwa nanga. I need your help and your support. Kasi nga don kam kajing yarap bat kajing kershan jongpi. So that I can make more video. Kasi knang ba ngan penmi shu shibon teli ki video. We need to support each other. Kasi ni dan kam ban kershan iway ya iway. Don't forget like, share and subscribe. Bye. See you in the next video.